Today I'm gonna share with you how to make lace cookies. They're crunchy but not too crunchy, they're chewy but not too chewy, and they have chocolate filling inside. They are simply delicious. Oh, and they're easy to make too. Get a pot and add half of a cup of butter, that's about 113 grams. Your heat should be on medium and not on high. Mix and let the butter melt completely. Then add half of a cup of brown sugar. Mix it and you'll heat it up until the sugar will start to bubble and it will get combined with the butter. It should take like 2 or 3 minutes. So from this, you'll get this. Get it off the heat and transfer it to a container. Add 3/4 of a cup of almond butter and mix until the flour is combined. Let it cool down. I like to put mine in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. To a separate bowl, add 1 egg white. Add a pinch of salt. And mix with the mixture until fluffy and white. Then add the egg whites to the other mixture. Gently mix just until the egg whites are mixed in. I'll be using 1/4 of an ice cream scoop and I'll simply scoop the batter to a baking tray. Make sure your baking tray is lined with some parchment paper or silicone mat and give the cookies some room because they do expand. Bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for about 16 minutes. When you take them out, let them cool down, don't touch them because they might break. I have half of a cup of dark chocolate chips melted. I like to use dark chocolate because the cookies are sweet and the dark chocolate is perfect combination. So I'll use like a full teaspoon on each cookie and then I'll find a perfect match. Gently squeeze them until you'll see chocolate coming out from the edges. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the cookies. Let the chocolate harden. I like to put mine in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. And here you have it. Look how gorgeous they are. They're so festive. They taste amazing. Let's break one. I'll show you how it looks from the inside. This is definitely my type of cookie. You have to try it because it's not hard to make, but the taste is amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like. I post new recipes every week, so don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you again soon.